Let's chat about the second season.
All right.
Or the Terminator 2. Is this the second or like 1.5 or 1 3/4?
No, we're considering it the second season, but there were things that were supposed to be tied up in our first that are getting tied up in this one, or rather more complicated, it seems, on this show.
Was it a little frustrating what the strike did to everybody?
Yeah, I mean, it had to happen, but I feel that we were very lucky in that our episode that wasn't intended as an episode ender of a season was really good as an ending for a season. So I'm just happy we're back, and this season is so much better than the last, and it's just explosive. I think people are going to be blown away.
So pretty much you left people wanting more, right?
Yeah, hopefully.
And what do you think they want to know about? If like fans came up to you right now, what do you think they would ask you about?
I think they want to know about what happens to Cameron after she exploded in the car, and what's going on with the computer, and who are these new characters and what do they have to do with it? But there's so many twists that are beyond anyone's expectations and imagination. I think they really are going to have their minds blown a bit, even in just that first episode. But then it just keeps getting bigger and bigger as the season goes on. We've really stepped up our game this year.
And anytime you have a sci-fi show, you have so many fans who are online trying to know every little detail. Is it hard to keep the details to yourself, to not spoil it for the fans?
I kind of like keeping it secret because I can't wait for that night where it finally airs and everyone's jaws are hanging open. That's all. I mean, it's hard because they want us to do interviews all day long and yet not say anything, so it's a little tricky in that respect, but I'm so excited for when it finally shows on television.
That's when it's our job to like fool you and see if we can get you to trip up.
Yeah.
Now, on that note, I did hear that there might be a love interest for you this season. Tell me about that.
That's okay.
Okay, good.
Talk about. Yes, John gets a love interest of sorts, and her name is Riley, and it's played by Levin Ramden, and it's still interesting and complicated. It's not, the OC on Sarah Connor, but he does get a love interest of sorts, yes.